Hello everyone, I'm back with the Retay PT23. As you can see, compared to the P26, similar design, just slightly more compact. Much better feel in the hand. Let's have a look. Strong slide and barrel system. Let's have a look at the front. Nice depth chamber. Strap it. Has a safety which disengages the trigger. Let's have a look at the magazine. Classic markings. It's gonna mark one for every 5 bullets. Let's have a look at the loading. Same as the rest, you press it down and you slide it back. As you can see, it indicates that you have 5. Next 5 will indicate at the next level, and the final 15th one will indicate at that level. Let's have a look at the gun. Let's breech the firearm. Smooth, elegant breech. Let's have a look. Right. So this semi-automatic will reload after every shot until you are empty. Drop it down. Thank you.